Oh, hello everybody. Hey, do you remember this? My scientific illustration talking about your chin and how you need to look after it as you get older and it gets worn down. Anyway, since I posted this film about chin hammocks, I've been inundated with requests for cheeky chin hammocks. So I've had some made. Here we are, look. We've got the gaggle of geese, the flamboyance of flamingos, the pandemonium of parakeets, the descent of woodpeckers, the murder of crows, and the obligatory, for Broadstairs anyway, squabble of seagulls. So let's try one on. I think you'll agree they do a really good job of supporting your chin, like so. Look, brilliant. My chin is totally supported now. I can talk as much as I like, no problem. Oh, thank you also to the people who've pointed out that these will also double up as face masks. So hang on a minute, if I just go like that, I'm now safe during the pandemic to go to the shops. Perfect. That's really great because I hadn't thought about that. Anyway, if you want to order your chin hammock or the whole set, the details are below. And by wearing the cheeky chin hammock this Christmas, we can all have a safe and happy Christmas. So happy Christmas, everybody.